Good morning, elephants. Welcome back to our new week. This is a shorter week because we have lessons only till Thursday, and then from Friday you have Easter holidays. So this week we're going to do lots of funny things, maybe not so hard, and I hope you had a great weekend, and thank you for being with us during our ring times. So today we will start with the reading. Before we start with the reading, I just want to show you the picture of our today's story. So as you probably guessed, our reading will be about fish. And not only one fish. Can you see that this little fish is sitting on the big fish? Guess why? Do they know each other? Are they maybe friends? Or maybe they are family? Would you like to know? So let's do the reading together. Then you will receive this worksheet. And my big request is, please read it. Read it to yourself, read it to your brother or sister, or read it to your mommy or daddy. Okay? So get ready, let's start it. A little fish sat on a fat fish. The little fish said, "Wow!" The little fish did not feel sad. The little fish said, "That fat fish is Mom." So that's why they were so close. That's why they were sitting together, because they were family. The fat fish was mommy of the little fish. Nice story. So for today, I want you to read the story. And now let's move to, maybe first we do some reading for today. So get prepared for reading. First we read some sounds, and then we'll read some words. And I will choose you to read. I will tell you who is reading, okay? So, first we start with sounds. A, K, G, W, H, and L. Okay, so first word will go to Asti. S, A, I, D. Say it fast. Sad. The second one will go to Amelia. W, I, Sh. Wish. Excellent. The third one will go to Constancia. F, I, Sz. Say it fast, Constancia. Fish. Next one will go to Julie. D, I, Sz. Dish. Next one, please, Oscar. M, A, D. Maid. Benjo. D, I. D. Did. Frycuś. G. A. M. Game. Sara. N. O. W. No. Majinka. W. O. W. Wow. Zarka. K. O. W. Cow. Sebuś. Eight. Eight. Who didn't have a turn yet? Michał, can you try this? H. A. T. Hate. And this one, again Astor. G. A. T. Gate. Very good. Well done. Good job. Very good reading. So, please read the story about a little fish and a fat fish. And that's it for today. See you tomorrow, elephants. Bye. Thank you for reading.